saucy, to be honest. I might add a little bit more. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Giving us a nice color. Looks like it's soaking in. Now those flavors can get to know my mushrooms and onions on a stronger level. Alright, another thing. Fella, out please. Out, out. I'm in game mode. Move time. I need strainer. We gotta go. Here we go. Potatoes are done. They've probably been done for 5 minutes, but that's okay, so we're mashing them anyway. Yeah, they've been done for like 5 minutes. We're cool though. We mashed them anyways. Bam! There they are. Good to go. So we're getting a nice little browning. I like that. We're browning the garlic a little bit. Yeah. Just a tiny bit on some of them. Brown the garlic. I'm smelling those peppers. That jalapeno's coming out. Let's go, baby. These flavor combos. Mmm. And then we got our other saute that we did as well. Our noodle and veggie saute. We're going to plate this up here in a little bit. Like a champ. Earlier we did our, I should put these in view, huh? Let's get our bacon out of the way. These chocolate muffins turned out freaking fantastic. So happy with these. Absolutely amazing. They taste spectacular. I ate a whole one earlier on stream because I couldn't help myself. See, I don't want to flip them yet. I'm starting to smell it though. I want a little brown on that garlic. Just a little bit brown. It's like almost there. Let's see. Alright, yeah, a little bit. Little pieces have a little bit brown. Not a lot, but that's okay. We're gonna let it cook for a little bit longer. I want to get a couple little brown, nice amount of little brown bits actually. There we go. We're getting color. Okay. Next up. Let's see. I need to mash the potatoes here in a second. Let's go. Why does it sound like it's still cooking? You're off heat. Chill out. Give this a quick rinse. These are a pain in the butt to clean otherwise. Later, after the fact. By that time I'm done with this, we're going to have to stir again. Pretty much there. Getting ready the potatoes. And then we're going to start this steak, and I'll show you guys how to cook a steak like a pro. Ready for that stir. Yeah, I got a little color. Exactly what I want, baby. Give me that flavor. That extra flavor. Oh, yeah. Speaking of. Alright. Mushroom and onion saute is done. Off heat. On the back side. Alright. We're still keeping an eye on that. Let's get these put away really quick. It's getting hot in here. We still need our chives in a little bit. We're going to need to mash the mess out of these potatoes. And I'm about ready to bring out the magic for the potato recipe. Oh man. We can put this on the cutting board too. Or do you guys want to stare at the brownies? I don't know. Move some things around here. So much stuff. So much stuff. Let me make sure I'm not like forgetting anything here at this point. Do you have to go curry recipe? Do you have a good curry recipe? I've never had Indian, but since I've had so many hot sauces, I figured I might try it as well. I do have a good curry recipe for Indian curry, not for Japanese curry or what? Yeah, like Thai curry, Thai food curry. I don't have a good one for Thai food. I want a good one for Thai food. I'd love to do it sometime. I just haven't got around to that yet. It's definitely on the list of things to do for sure. Okay, my potatoes though, they're speaking to me. They're saying, give me milk. Give me at least a whole stick of butter. And then we'll talk about maybe more. And give me heavy whipping cream. And then discuss the terms about how much salt we might want. Also, we're going to add a ton of bacon. And then we're going to add maybe some ham. And then we're going to add all of these that hopefully I haven't burnt. No, we're good, we're good. We're taking it off heat though. Oh yeah, they're like crispy bits. I love it. Alright, I'm cool with that. We're good. That was like the perfect timing to take it off though. Yeah, that's actually exactly what I wanted. I want them to be like little crispy bits. That'll be all spread through the potatoes, giving us our heat, our garlic. We'll probably add a little bit of garlic powder too, though. We're gonna taste test it, play around with it, make sure we've got exactly what we want. So here we go. Milk. Here, let's get this over here. Actually, I don't think it's gonna burn my cutting board, but put it there anyway. Alright, milk to the desired amount, because potatoes soak up a lot. We're just going to say about that to start. Heavy whipping cream. Yay. To however much you please. We're not really going with measurements here, guys. This is not really a measuring day for the stream. This is more of a, I'm making my potatoes with 3 types of dairy, a whole bunch of bacon, a whole bunch of cheese, and a whole bunch of other things. They're not necessarily the most healthy for you, but they certainly taste delicious. It's all good. I can cheat a little bit. I'm skinny, I guess. Is that fair to say? Or is that like offensive to fat people? Because I'm skinny, I can eat more? Is that offensive to fat people? I don't know. I guess it depends on how you look at it. I mean, I don't know how much a bigger guy does than me that would influence that. Oh, look, see, they're already creamy as could be. I don't even need the masher anymore. It's just like stir as you please at this point. Man, I always enjoy your stream. You're as good, if not better, than any other cook on here. Hey, thank you. Dude, Brooke, I really appreciate that, brother. I try a lot, and I do my best, so I really appreciate hearing that. Much respect, man. I would be skinny, too, if I didn't consume 2,000 calories of sugar every night. Alright, our butter's still kind of melting all the way. Let's get this steak going, baby. Let's go! Because all I need to do at this point, let me see. I gotta think. What's left? We just need our bacon in there. We gotta do, we're ready to plate those. We'll be ready to plate